So good evening, everyone. Welcome, everyone. So nice to see you once again, all the Chinese participants and all of my Indian friends. So let's start this session with the chanting of Lord Dhanvantari prayer. Om Namami Dhanvantarim Adidevam Surashurvandit Pad Padmam Lokai Jararukubhai Mrityunasham Dhatarmisham Vividaushadinam. So, dear friends, today we are going to start a very good discussion, a series of the discussion of how to regain the breast health in the female. Like it is a very common topic, and many females are having some problems, like someone is suffering with the lumps, cyst. Not only this, the breast is having multiple functions. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss each and everything connected with the breast. The approach of Ayurveda, the approach of TCM, Marma therapy for the breast, beauty and diseases. So we talk about the anatomy of the breast. Breast is made by lots of connective tissue.
那我们讲到这个乳腺，它其实有很多的这个结缔组织来构成的。
We already know, we are aware with the name of collagen fiber and the elastin fiber.
我们其实之前有讲到这个胶原蛋白。
So the collagen fiber and the elastin fiber is the connective tissue which is filled in the breast.
这个就是我们是讲到的关于这个女性的这个结缔组织的一些构成，一个是由胶原蛋白，还有一个。
Other than that, there are lots of fat is available in the breast.
包括这个有很多的脂肪。
So we know when someone is very like sensitive for, and many person want beautiful skin, so they are taking collagen capsules, collagen powder, and the multiple things which is having collagen.
那女性她为了要她的皮肤变得更加光滑美丽，她会摄入很多的胶原蛋白。
As we are young, we are having more collagen fiber. As we are young, we are having more elastin fiber. But as we become old, with the aging, the collagen and the elastin fiber decreasing. So sagging is coming in the breast.
那当然，随着我们这个年纪的增加，女性那我们的这个体内的这个胶原蛋白，包括这个弹性蛋白，它就会减少，所以会导致我们直接影响到我们的胸部下垂。
And even if we talk about the fat, if there is a lesser fat deposition, it might create underdeveloped breast. And if there is a more fat deposition, it might increase the size of the breast.
那如果说这个我们的这个乳房脂肪很少，它也会影响到我们这个乳房的大小和形状。
So if we see male and female both are having these things, like both are having nipple, both are having these all things. What the difference is this: in the female, these are more developed.
那不管是男性女性，它其实都是有这个腺体组织在的，只是我们女性的腺体组织它这个发育的更加完整。
So when the female reaching on the puberty at the age of near to 30 to 15 years of age, there is a development of the mammary glands is more in the female, but in the male, it's remain in the same undeveloped conditions.
那我们其实对于女性来说呢，她的这个叫这个乳腺，它的发育会比男性发育的更加完整。
So in that way, we can see like the tip of the nipple, we can see this is the tip that is called nipple, and the darker part around the nipple that is called areola.
那我们可以看到这个我们的黑色的那个点就是乳头，然后旁边就是乳晕，下面就是乳晕。
This areola is very important part. This is a darker part. So the question comes, why the areola is there? So the answer is this: many scientists are telling areola is darker part around the nipple, because when any infant is taking birth, not able to see the nipple. So areola is a darker part so that infant can see and drink the milk.
因为就是这个乳晕是因为那个婴儿刚出生的时候，他是找不到这个乳头的。那通过这个乳晕的话呢，可以帮助婴儿更好的找到这个母亲的乳房。
And we can see these are the like the grapes like structure here. These are called alveoli, and these are the same place who are secreting the milk. Then milk is coming from the duct and reaching to the nipple, and from the nipple it's coming out.
我们可以看到这个老师画圈的部分，这个乳腺组织，它就是这个产这个乳汁的地方，然后通过这个软管
The
到达
problem the
孩子，
problem
然
is
后
happening
就可以分
maybe
泌出来。
sometime there is a blockage in the root of duct, or there is unwanted lumps or the growth in this area. Then we are telling it, oh, lump formation, cyst formation, tumor formation in the breast. So we should be aware with the multiple diseases. There are lots of diseases of the nipples. The diseases, if there is a blockage in the duct, the diseases when there is a formation of lump or the cyst. So one by one, we are going to discuss everything. And we are also telling this breast is also the like a sign of beauty. If the person want, if the females want beautiful breast, this should have very good collagen and the elastin fiber. So why some nutrition planning and some Marma point stimulation, we can maintain these fibers to maintain the breast beauty.
那另外这个乳房是女性的这个第二特征，对吧？代表了美丽。那另外一方面，我们会去讨论如何来增加这个乳房的弹性蛋白、胶原蛋白，让这个乳房可以去变得更美丽、美胸塑形的部分，通过一些疗法也可以来实现。
And also when we talk about the milk producing mammary glands, so if some female is not able to produce the milk on the time, so we can treat by our techniques. So we will be learning that how to produce the milk if it is not coming even after the delivery.
另外一方面，我们也会讲到，就是关于女性，如果说她这个哺乳期她没办法去这个有乳汁的话，我们也会教大家一些方法，如何让她去催奶。
And one more very challenging condition, many female, even they are not married, even they have never get pregnant, but still milk is coming out because of the hormones. So how to work on these conditions, that also we are going to discuss.
那因为另外一种情况，有些女性她没有去这个怀孕哺乳，但她还会有乳汁产生，那这个是什么原因？我们也会去来讨论。
So this is the brain, or in the brain there is a part that is called hypothalamus. So hypothalamus is called master of master gland, super master.
它就是我们的最主要的一个腺体。
When hypothalamus is secreting some hormones, hypothalamus secreting some hormones and commanding pituitary gland. So pituitary gland is a very important gland. Pituitary gland can be divided in three parts. So anterior part, posterior part, and the middle part.
那脑垂体它会分成前方、这中部还有后部。
So the anterior part of the pituitary secreting one hormone that is called prolactin hormone. Or in the simple word we can tell milk producing hormone.
那也就是这个you mean the front, the anterior?
Anterior pituitary secreting one hormone that is called prolactin hormone.
也就是这个我们脑垂体前方的部分的这个脑垂体，它分泌的激素叫做催乳激素。
So if the prolactin hormone is in the blood, then female start producing the milk. So milk production depend on this hormone only.
那如果当我们女性的血液里边有这个催乳激素的话，它才会去产生乳汁。
Now, if we talk about the hypothalamus is also very sensitive for the emotions.
包括这个下脑丘，它对我们的这个情绪也是跟我们情绪密切相关的。
So suppose some female is having some emotional imbalance or the suppression of the emotions, then it will disturb the hypothalamus.
那当然，如果女性她有情绪的问题的话，它也会影响到我们下脑丘。
Then hypothalamus will secrete the hormone, but not in the balanced condition.
那因此的话，那我们的这个下脑丘都会产生的荷尔蒙，它就会让我们处在不平衡的状态。
Then pituitary gland also get disturbed, and there will be irregular secretion of the prolactin hormone. Suddenly, what will happen because of the emotional imbalance? One unmarried female or which is never pregnant suddenly start getting milk production from the breast.
因此的话，就会那些没有结婚、没有哺乳的女性，她就会开始分泌乳汁。
So that time it's a very, very difficult condition because in the body there is a one procedure. If the prolactin hormone is high, that lady will produce milk, and if the prolactin hormone is high, that lady will never get pregnant. That during the time of high prolactin.
因此的话，就是当一个女性的这个催乳激素它很高的话，她就不会怀孕，很困难，她会。
So this is the natural process, like this is the plannings of the divine. Like if the female is feeding the child, that is the time she will not get pregnant. So if the female is having more prolactin, she will not get pregnant.
就是说，这个如果一个女性她这个如果她有很多的就是她如果是催乳激素很多，她可以去喂养小孩。但如果她没有小孩，她催乳激素很多的话，那她就不会怀孕，不会受孕。
So many patients are suffering with the infertility because of the high prolactin.
所以很多不孕不育的问题，就是因为她的这个催乳激素太过高。
So now we are coming back to the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is commanding the pituitary, then the anterior pituitary secreting the prolactin. Now let's discuss about the posterior pituitary.
那我们现在来讲一下这个我们的这个叫什么脑垂体的后方的这个位置。
Now posterior pituitary also secrete one hormone that is called love hormone.
那这个脑垂体后方它分泌的这个叫爱的荷尔蒙。
The other name of love hormone is oxytocin.
这个就是另外一个这个爱的荷尔蒙叫催产素。
Even one male and female, when they are loving each other, they are getting good bond because of the secretion of the oxytocin.
那当男性跟女性相爱的时候，他们这个主要是因为这个催产素的分泌。
So if the pituitary gland is disturbed, even the male and female will not be having that love connection. So pituitary gland also responsible for making you very loving. You are able to give love and you are able to receive love just by pituitary gland.
那因此呢，如果你的那个脑垂体的分泌失衡的话，所以它也会影响到这个爱，就是一个人他爱的能力。那所以的话，你会有一些跟你的这个伴侣的这个关系紧张，连接失去了连接，你没有去能力去给予爱，去这个接受爱，其实也是因为你这个脑垂体它的分泌失调。
So milk secretion is the result of two hormones. Number one, prolactin, and number two, oxytocin.
所以这个乳汁的分泌，它是受两个荷尔蒙的影响，一个就是我们刚刚讲的那个叫这个催乳激素，另外一个叫催产素激素，这两个激素的影响。
And the target area of both the hormones are breast.
那所以的话，就是它会影响到我们的乳房。
So in this way, nowadays we know there are a number of people having lots of emotional problems. So this is a very common problem. They are having irregular secretion of the both hormones. So now we can see we have to discuss many things like the disease of the nipple, lactation, hormonal disease, mastitis, breast pain, sagging of the breast, cyst, lump, cancer, and gynecomastia. We will discuss all the diseases one by one.
所以我们会就是去讨论关于这个乳头的疾病啊，包括我们这个这个叫这个叫就是我们的哺乳的问题、荷尔蒙分泌的问题，还有这个乳腺炎、乳房的这个疼痛、乳房的下垂、囊肿、肿块、乳腺癌，包括这个就等等这些问题，我们都会在课程中来讨论。
By doing the proper treatment, we can see the reduction in the size of cyst and lump just within 2 to 3 days. when we do the Marma therapy, or when we apply some Ayurveda tips, we can reduce the size of cyst and the lump within 2 to 3 days. We can see the changes within 2 to 3 days.
那其实关于这个乳腺的囊肿跟肿块，如果我们用一些阿育吠陀的这个妈妈穴位，还有用一些阿育吠陀的方法，我们可以在2到3天里面就看到它会变小、缩小。
But if there is a cancerous condition, it might need longer duration, and the result also depend on the stage of cancer.
那如果是乳腺癌的话，那需要更长的时间，也取决于这个乳腺癌的它是哪一期的乳腺癌。
Nowadays, breast cancer is also very a common problem around the world.
那现在这个当今这个乳腺的这个问题，它其实是一个全球性的问题了。
So breast can be divided in 2 parts. Number 1, this is called circular part of the breast.
那这个乳腺它分成2部分，这个就是我们乳房。
And another, this part is called axillary tail because it's going in the axilla.
那其实另外的就是在我们的叫做这个腺体，就是腋下的这个组织，腋下的腺体组织。
So if you look at the breast is starting from the central line. Then from the central line, from the sternum, it's going till the axillary line.
我们从外面的话，我们可以看到这个乳腺，它乳房，它其实从外面它是跟这个腋下是连接的。
So we can see this is the sternum bone. So breast is starting from the sternum bone.
从胸骨开始。
On the side of the sternum bone, and it's going till the axillary. It's going till the axilla.
那其实从胸骨一直到达这个我们的这个腋下。
And we already know that we are having 12 ribs on the right side and the 12 ribs on the left side. Breast is lying between 2nd to 6th rib.
那我们知道这个，我们每一侧都是有12条这个肋骨，那这个乳腺是位于第2跟第6条肋骨之间。
And we talk about the nipples. Nipple is found below the 4th number rib. Below the 4th number rib. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Before the 4th number rib, we have nipple.
那我们的乳头是在这个第4根胸骨之下。
So these spaces are very important because we will be learning some massage technique, and while doing the massage in these spaces, we can work for the lung condition, for the asthma condition, as well as for the breast diseases.
那包括我们通过一些手法，我们就是可以去让这个肿块它变小，然后包括一些哮喘的问题啊，然后一些这个我们乳房相关的疾病，它都可以得到很好的效果。
So this area is called intercostal space. Intercostal space.
那这个区域就是我们叫肋间的区域。
Okay, so So now, because axillary tail of the breast going in the axilla, in this axillary part. So axilla is a very important area to treat breast disharmony.
所以因此的话，腋下它其实是一个非常这个很重要的这个方位，这个区域，它去治疗一些乳腺的问题。
We are going to discuss multiple points location there. But right now I want to tell you, you can try today only. Suppose someone is having hormonal imbalances and having headache, how to treat quickly, I will tell you.
So people have the hormone imbalance and what?
If because of the hormone imbalance, suffering with the migraine headache.
Headache，OK，就比如说因为一些有些人他因为这个激素分泌失衡，所以产生了一些偏头痛的问题，我给你教大家一些方法。
So how to work quickly? We are going to discuss multiple lines in the breast, in the axilla area. You can take some oil or powder, just massage the armpit. Just massage the armpit for 2 minutes only, and you will see the migraine headache will disappear. Any problem because of the hormone, you will feel immediate relief.
那会教大家一些手法，那你也可以用一些油，然后通过这个手法的话，你就可以让我们的这个偏头痛问题可以立刻的话就是消除了。
In the armpit area, we are having many Marma points. By holding these Marma points, we can release the tension from the breast. We can release the unwanted cyst from the breast just by using armpit area.
包括通过这个腋下的一些区域的这个手法的去按摩，那你一个可以让这个乳房的这个压力可以减小，另外它对这个乳腺的这个囊肿有直接的效果。
Not only this, by doing the treatment in the armpit area, we can also release the shoulder pain, and many persons suffering with the paralysis, not able to lift the arm, we can also release the stiffness of the arm just by doing the treatment in the armpit.
不仅仅是乳房的问题，对于这个有些人的肩膀的问题，包括有些人他会有一些这个偏瘫的情况，他就可以做完之后，他的肩膀就可以抬起来。
If any female is having any breast related disorders or any hormonal problem, she might also suffer with the frozen shoulder, especially the frozen shoulder in the right side.
那一些女性如果她有这个乳腺问题的，她一般来说她的这个右边的肩膀也会有一些问题。
So right side shoulders having very deeper connectivity with the hormones and the breast and with the genitals.
因为右肩膀它跟我们的荷尔蒙的分泌，还有我们这个女性的这个妇科这些问题，乳腺都是有关的。
And we can release these all unwanted imbalances just by doing the treatment in the armpit.
我们可以通过这些的手法，能够去让我们荷尔蒙可以达到平衡。
So we are going to discuss very detailed study about the armpit treatment methodology in this workshop.
那在这个课程中，我们也会来去讲到关于如何来在这个腋下的区域来治疗不同的问题。
Breast is having very good blood supply. Breast is also having very good nerve supply, right?
那这个乳腺它其实有很多的这个我们的血液的这些通道，这个动脉，包括还有很多的神经系统。
I will talk about the nipple area or this areola, the darker part that is called areola. The areola is having many nerve endings. That's why this part is very sensitive.
因为这个乳晕它有很多的它很多的神经，它在这边就是这个神经的这个地方就是节点嘛，所以的话它会非常的敏感。
So also breast is having very good lymphatic drainage. If the lymphatic drainage is good, then all the toxins, all the unwanted things will be removed from the breast.
另外一方面，如果我们乳房的淋巴的排泄的功能非常好的话，那你也 如果你有问题的话，你就很快的这些毒素就可以排出去。
So there are many lymph node, some lymph node found in the armpit having connection with the breast, some lymph node found around the collarbone, and they are also having connection with the breast.
就是有一些这个淋巴结，它会在这个腋下，包括在这个我们的这个叫什么骨，叫这个锁骨下方。
So for keeping the breast health in good condition, we should do proper cleansing by proper lymphatic drainage.
所以我们要让我们的乳腺健康，我们要去做一些这个我们的这个淋巴的系统的这个叫排毒。
So there is a point-to-point stimulation technique. We are going to stimulate multiple points here, and by stimulation of these points, we can improve the lymphatic drainage.
所以通过这个在腋下我们的一些穴位，我们就可以去疏通乳腺，这个淋巴系统。
So we know this is the tumor in the breast. It's a very, very common condition.
这个
So
是
we can see there are lots of tumor, lump, cyst, unwanted growth formation in the breast.
我们会看到这个乳房里边会有不同的肿块、囊肿，包括肿瘤。
So suppose some female is developing the breast cancer,
如果一个女性她有这个乳腺癌，
and there is a sentinel nodes. What the sentinel nodes, it might spread in the other body parts.
那通过这个叫这个就这个叫什么这个叫前哨淋巴结，通过这个前哨淋巴结，它会去扩散到不同的这个脏腑，就是如果你是癌症的话。
And there is a there is a one disease that is called fibrocystic disease. It is causing the lump in the breast, but this disease is harmless. So all the cysts are not the sign of danger.
所以有一些很常见的叫纤维囊肿嘛，那它其实很常见，但它不是它其实也没有就是危害性很大。
So we can see this the formation of the fibrocystic lumps here. We can see.
我们会看到这些都是一些这个纤维性的囊肿，很多人都会有。
And sometimes there is inflammation that is called mastitis.
那这个叫做乳腺炎，乳腺炎引起的这个发炎，乳房的发炎。
It might happen with the female who is producing milk, or we can tell lactating female.
尤其是那些哺乳的女性，她很容易得乳腺炎。
So there are a connection of the Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. As per the Ayurveda, what is the balance condition? What is the imbalance condition? This is the detailed condition we are going to discuss shortly. Like if someone is having, because there are three types of the people: Vata people, Pitta people, and Kapha people, or three different type of the people having different shape of breast.
那讲到这个，我们 Ayurveda 里边讲到这个三大体质，不同的体质的人，他的这个乳腺的情况也是不太一样。乳房
Like Vata female is having a small breast, Pitta medium, and Kapha having large breast.
那相对来说，这个 Vata 型的这个女性，她的乳腺比较小。那这个 Pitta 型的是中等，那Kapha 型的它是比较乳房是比较丰满的。
So we can't tell the small is good or the large is good. Every breast will be good as per the constitution, as per the prakriti.
我们并不是说它这个好坏跟这个乳房的大小有关，那它只是说不同体质它有不同的这个乳腺的大小形状。
So sometimes small breast is good because as per the prakriti. Sometimes medium breast is good as per the prakriti. Sometimes large breast is good as per the prakriti.
所以可能因为不同的大小跟它的体质有关，所以的话小的并不是不好，而是因为它是Vata体质的人，所以它会它的乳房就天生会小一点。
But the problem is happening when the Vata people are getting larger breast, or the Kapha people, the breast decreasing and becoming smaller. Then we have to do the treatment.
但是呢，如果说 Vata 的人的乳腺变大了，然后 Kapha 型的人他乳腺变小了，那我们这个时候他就确实需要一些做一些这个疗法了。
So there are lots of sign of the imbalances we will be discussing shortly.
那有很多的这个失衡的情况，就是
There are
这个
lots of
上
marma
下行。
point, lots of marma point around the breast, istan mool and istan parshva, hirda marmani, hirdayam. So there are lots of marma points. By stimulating them, we can bring the breast in the harmony. We can bring the breast health in the harmony.
那有很多的妈妈的这个穴位，我们当去刺激它，可以让我们的乳房它处在一个平衡的状况。
So marma point means there is a very, very sensitive point, and just by stimulation of the marma point, we can remove the blockages and we can remove the disease.
那这个妈妈穴位它是非常的敏感，当我们去刺激它的时候，它可以去疏通这些淤堵的地方，以及让我们很多疾病得到疗愈。
So what are the home remedy, marma therapy for the breast lifting and the regaining of the shape? So there is a breast mask. Like there are many things. Like I would like to tell you, even we will be learning that how to prepare homemade oil. But right now, I would like to tell you one thing.
我们还会教课程中还会教如何大家去在家居家去自制那些这个阿育吠陀草本油。
So like the combination of nutmeg oil and the castor oil, it's a wonderful combination for sagging breast. If the breast is hanging down, we can use the combination of nutmeg oil and the castor oil and lift them up. Even we can mix some other oil. Like I would like to tell you dhanavantram oil.
就包括你可以用这个肉豆蔻油加上蓖麻籽油，或者再加一点这个 t a m a n d a l i 这个没关系。然后这个它就可以对这个乳腺下垂的情况可以得到
But
改善。
nutmeg is available all around. Even the castor is available all around. So it's very easy to make them. So suppose breast is hanging down because of the aging, because of the menopause. So we can lift the breast again.
那如果说你的胸部下垂，因为这个你的哺乳的关系，那个年龄的这个衰老的关系下垂，你就可以就使用这个油去按摩。
But only by applying the oil, this cannot be done. We have to stimulate certain marma points, and we have to stimulate certain points found in the axilla or the
那除
armpit.
了你还有同时你要去刺激一些这个在腋下的一些穴位，它才会有作用，起到作用。
So there is a very common problem of the breast cancer nowadays, and we see the lots of symptom. They are telling their chances of the breast cancer.
那现在这个乳腺癌的这个增长率还是很高的。
So this is a very detailed study, and this will be discussed in the last, maybe on the fourth day.
我们可能会在可能在第4天的时候会讨论关于乳腺癌的问题。
So now I would like to come to the some I Ching concept of the, because in this course we are also going to discuss TCM. So
在这个
TCM
课
is
程
based
中，
on the yang and yin.
我们还会讲到这个中医的部分，那就是其实这个来自于易经的这个思想，关于阴阳的部分，我们也会通过这个角度去讲。
So as per the concept of TCM, the nature of fire is going upward and the nature of water is moving downward.
从易经的，就是这个中医的角度来说，这个火是往上的，这个水是往下的。
So this is the I Ching energy concept. In this I Ching energy concept, the wood will be on the one side and the metal will be on the other side.
从易经来说，这个木是在左边，然后这个金在右边。
So fire and water is opposite, that we know. The fire is having opposite nature of the water. These are opposite.
水跟火它是这个相反的，对吧？
Even the wood and the metal are opposite.
金跟木它也是相反的，
So they are opposite, also they balance each other.
它们虽然是它们相反，但它们却互相平衡。
Like fire is balancing the water, and water also can balance the fire.
水跟火它们互相平衡。
So in this way, now we talk about the center part. Center part is made by earth element.
所以这个中间的话，它是叫土。
So this is the concept of I Ching, and this concept applicable everywhere.
这个是易经的这个思想，它可以
Even
运用在很多地方，
even this concept applicable over the breast.
包括它也会在这个乳房它的这个健康的这个角度，它也会有这个帮助。
So if we go in the upper part of the breast, it's doing the representation of the fire, and if we go in the lower part of the breast, it's doing the representation of the water.
OK, you mean represent the water?
Yeah.
就是这个火是在上方的，水是在下方的。
And if you go the outer side, that is the wood, and if you go inner side, that is metal.
如果你往外的话是木，往里边是金。
So let's see here. I would like to bring a focus here. Give me 1 minute. So if we look at these breasts, right, we can divide the breast for the energy concept as per the. So the upper part is fire,
这
and the
上面
lower part is water.
下面是水，
The outer part will be wood,
外面是木，
and the inner part will be metal.
里面是金。
Now if we are coming in the center, the center area is the earth element.
中间的话是土。
So this is called the concept of I Ching. Whole
This is
TCM is
Yeah.
working on this concept only.
这个中医它其实也来自于这个易经的这个思想。
So as per this concept, now we can further see here, some female is developing the lump here, some is developing lump here, some here, some here. So we will find out the energy and we will able to treat accordingly.
所以呢，我们会发现这个有些女性她的这个结肿块，它长在不同的方位，那我们就会去讨论如何来去治疗这些不同方位的这些结节跟肿块。
And even if you want to produce more amount of milk, we have to increase the earth element.
如果你想要你的分泌的乳汁更多，那我们要增加土性的能量。
So this is the concept of Bhagwa and it's applicable.
这个是可以去操作的。
So if we see the I Ching, in the I Ching we are discussing turtle. Turtle is the representation of energy.
我们会讲到一个叫乌龟，乌龟它来代表的是能量。
So this is the turtle, and turtle is doing the representation of the energy.
乌龟是代表能量，它的一个象征。
This is a turtle, right? So now, turtle is, we can divide the turtle in the multiple parts like this.
我们可以讲乌龟分成不同的部分。
So the head of the turtle is in the south direction.
那乌龟的头是南方，
And the tail of the turtle in the north direction.
它的这个尾部是北方。
So there's a east side and this is the west.
左边是东，右边是西。
And this can be considered as a center of the turtle.
那这个是我们把它作为中心，这个乌龟的中心。
So we are telling south is the fire and north is the water.
南是火，北是水。
And east will be the wood and best will be the
风
metal.
是木，西
And the
是
center will be earth.
中间是土。
So in this way, this is the when we are doing acupuncture treatment or when we are doing balancing our home by the feng shui, we are following this energy concept.
所以当我们再去做针灸治疗还有风水的时候，我们可能也会按照这个是这个易经的这个。
So as per this energy concept, upper is the fire, so upper is the place of heart. Lower is the water, so lower is the place of kidney.
所以这个上方它是心脏，下方代表我们的肾脏。
And east is the wood, that is the place of liver, and west is the metal, that is the place of lung.
然后东代表肝脏，西代表肺部。
And regarding the center, center is earth, earth means spleen.
所以中间这个土代表肾脏。
So suppose if there is some female is having any disharmony in the breast, so we have to balance this energy only, right? The wood energy should be here, the metal energy should be here, the fire energy should be here, the water energy should be here. If all energy are right, then female will be having good health.
所以我们看到，当这些方位的能量它都是足够的话，那我们女性的乳腺才会健康。
So now look at here, that this is the placement of the turtle over both the breast.
这是我们这个乳腺上有2个乌龟。
So just now for bringing the breast health in the harmony, we have to balance the energy.
所以让我们的乳腺平衡健康，那我们要去平衡能量。
Because whether you talk about the Ayurveda or you talk about the acupuncture, these all are working over chi or the energy concept.
不管是阿育吠陀还是中医的理念，它都是跟气能量有关。
So we are having certain acupuncture points. Because this need detailed study, so we are going to discuss from tomorrow. So now I would like to tell you some Ayurveda remedies for good breast health.
那些具体的那些内容，我们会在课程中讲到，会讲得很具体。然后现在我们会讲一下这个关于另外一个方面，阿育
So
吠陀的。
we know turmeric,
我们
right?
知道这个姜黄是吧？
So the curcumin is the very good ingredient found in the turmeric. So there are capsule or tablet available, or we can use the fresh turmeric for the good breast health.
这个姜黄，就是姜黄色素，它其实是在姜黄里边非常重要的。
Because whenever there is any lump or cyst formation, the lump or cyst formation is because of the kapha. And with the help of curcumin, we can reduce the kapha.
那其实很多的这个肿块，这是一个卡法太多了。那通过这个姜黄素可以消肿。
The another ingredient, tulsi, one of the great things for overall health and even for any type of cancer.
包括这个罗勒，它对这个乳腺癌或者一些癌症也是有帮助。
Even normal person should take tulsi every day. Tulsi also reducing the kapha.
包括这个土喜罗勒，其实它也是可以降低卡法的。我们建议每天可以去食用。
So anyone want to reduce the fat or the body weight, or anyone want to reduce the lump from the breast, can take dry ginger, black pepper, and the long pepper combination.
就是如果大家想消肿的话，你可以吃这个干姜加黑胡椒加长椒。
And now I will come here on the amla or the amlaki. In the Ayurveda, it's written amlaki is the boon for female.
The boon means
how can I explain? Boon means one of the great things. Like there is a nothing.
blessing.
Blessing, yeah, blessing is the right word.
blessing. Okay, 就是这个 you mean amla is a blessing.
Yeah, yeah.
OK，那个
So see, in the Ayurveda it's written every female should take the amla if she
那在
want
艾叶
good health. See, amla is good for hair, amla is good for eyes, amla is good for hormones.
鱼竿子，就是阿育吠陀建议女性可以去服用的。它其实可以对我们头发，不管是头发还是我们的胸部啊，我们的让我们变得更美丽。
So because in the Ayurveda we have discussed many times, there are 6 rasas: sweet, sour, salty, pungent, bitter, and astringent. Out of 6 rasas, amla is having 5.
那我们讲过阿育吠陀里边讲过书6味嘛，那6味里边这个阿姆拉就有五味，它占了5个口味。
So other than salt, amla is having all the 5 rasas. That's why amla is one of the great things for female.
除了这个咸味之外，阿姆拉它就是这个鱼竿子，它有了所有的这个味道。
If you want to see the changes, then just take the amla for 48 days. Just one amla piece in the morning, and you see the significant changes. Take the one image of your face and the hair today, and one image after 48 days. Just take the amla in the morning.
就是
You will see the tremendous. You will see the beauty. Skin become beautiful, hair become bright and shine. Your digestion will be very good. Your hormone will be very good.
那如果你可以尝试一下，你今天拍张照片，然后连续吃这个鱼竿子49天，你每天可以吃1个，然后你就会发现你的变化很大，你的不管头发、皮肤各方面都会变化很大。
Like just now, I went to conduct my workshop in the South India, and one participant told me, "Sir, I got full baldness, and just I took amla every morning for near about 40 days, and now you can see my hair is coming back." He told me just 8 days back, 8 days back.
It is back, OK， 就他因为这个医生他非常非常忙碌，他这个之前是在看线下的工作坊，在这个印度南部，他的这个学生就跟他说，他是没有头发嘛，秃
So
头，然后他吃了
if you mix the amla,
长头发。
suppose if you are taking amla with the turmeric, then it becomes very good for diabetes.
Oh， 如果你 but it's not seems not taste good。
Yeah, that's true. But see, if the person is suffering with the diabetes, suppose if you want very good and beautiful skin, if everyone is praising, oh, what you're very beautiful, then even you can eat the bitter things. There is no problem.
就是说那个，因为医生说你可以吃这个阿木兰这个鱼竿子加这个姜黄，然后我跟他说这个味道很难吃啊，他说但是如果说你希望每个人都赞美你很漂亮，那你也可以忍受。
So in that way, I will suggest every female should take amla, and that's right. That is called Nisha Amlaki. Nisha Amlaki means the combination of turmeric and amla.
这个就是
Turmeric and amla, that is called Nisha. Nisha means turmeric.
Nisha 它就是姜黄粉的另外一个名字，就姜黄粉加鱼竿子，这个组合是非常好的。
Okay, now. So other few things I would like to bring a focus here. Now, never forget trifla, because many male and female developing multiple diseases because of the constipation. So trifla is one of the great Ayurveda herb who is doing cleansing of the bowel, and it's a wonderful medicine.
那另外的话就是trifla 三果粉不要忘了，因为很多人他的就是排便有问题，也导致了很多这个乳腺问题。那你要让自己的排便通畅，你可以使用三果粉。
In the trifla, there are 3 things, and one thing is avla.
在这个三果粉里边，其中有一个就是有一个这个部分就是鱼竿子的成分。
Yeah. So in this way, now I will be discussing more about the kachnar. Kachnar we are giving only when the female develop lump or the breast, lump in the breast.
这个 kachnar it's Ayurveda medicine.
It's the Ayurveda medicine we are giving only in the condition when there is a lump, cyst or cancer.
这个叫什么 kachnar？ 它是一个阿育吠陀的药， 只有当你的这个乳腺有这个肿块的，或者这个乳腺癌的话，才会去让你服用，一般的可以不去服用它。
So I think it's enough for today, because from
Yeah,
tomorrow
yeah, yeah.
onwards, we will be discussing everything in the very, very detail. So from tomorrow onwards, we will be doing class whether 6 o'clock in the evening. So tomorrow 6 o'clock, tomorrow is a Thursday, right? Friday
So
is 6 o'clock. But
yeah,
in the weekend, means Saturday, Sunday, we will doing class in the morning 6:30. In the Saturday, Sunday, we are going to do class morning 6:30. So there are total 6 days class. If anyone want to go in the deeper detail, can enroll for this course, right? Thank you so
yeah.
much.